G'day, welcome back. Now this has been dead set one of the most requested box openings I've had. This is the Lenspen Blower. Now this blows dust off your lens. What excites me is to get this little fella open and see what the Canadians can do. So let's get straight into it. So far the box or the packaging feels like cardboard. Oh, nice and simple. Had the Stanley knife on standby, not required. Now first look and feel, it's quite nice. It's got a rubber end here, and then the tip is plastic, but it's got a good taper to it. I feel confident that it could blow dust off the lens quite nicely. This is referred to as the air intake. So the air will travel in this way, and then as you press with your hands, the air will then come out this way and blow the dust off the lens. So quite exciting. All right, I'm pretty keen to give this a squeeze, so let's have a look. Ooh, it's got a nice sound too. Okay, that's very exciting. I do like that their logo is kind of raised on the top there, but that's definitely a really great addition by a Canadian-made product. So let's grab a lens out. So you can see here's a little bit of dust there. This is not what you'd normally use it for, but let's check her out. Oh, instantly gone. So now that's very impressive. Now I might have done a bit too many squeezes. I'm not sure what the lifespan, whether or not it's how many squeezes you get, but all in all, very impressed by the Lenspen Blower. Could highly recommend it.